Today I am going to do a seismic analysis on building model. I have already defined column, beams and slab and their properties. Now I am going to define a seismic load. For that I have to go in design menu and choose load pattern and type the load name as seismic and change the type from dead to seismic. In auto lateral load option I have to choose IS 1893 and then add new load. As the seismic load is added now, to modify their properties, I have to select modify lateral load. We are considering that load acting on both x and y direction, so I am unchecking the eccentricity. You can also give eccentricity for x and y direction as you are designing a building for a special location. For seismic coefficient factor, refer IS table 1893. You can This is the seismic zone map. This map shows a different seismic zone in different part of India. We are assumed that this building is designed for Bangalore, India. You can see that Bangalore falls under this blue zone, that is zone 2. For seismic zone factor, scroll down and see and go to the table number 2. There is zone factor, seismic zone factor. As our building structures fall under seismic zone 2, the seismic zone factor is 0.10. Enter the 0.10 in seismic zone factor. It is set type. Set is the type of soil on which our building is constructed. We are assuming that type 2, which is medium type of soil. And importance factor. Important factor, also known as occupancy factor, depend upon the fundamental and uses of structure. Important factor is 1.5 for public building and 1 for a residential building. And responsible reduction factor. Responsible reduction factor, this structure is fall under ordinary RC moment resisting frame. Response reduction factor is 3 for residential building. Now I have defined all the properties of seismic load. Now click on OK. Then click on OK to define the load. As the load is defined now, after defining a seismic load, next step is to perform analysis on this structure. As we are performing seismic analysis, no need to run a wind load on this building model. Now we are going to analyze for dead load, live load and seismic load cases combination. Then to remove to do not run the wind load, we have to go in analyze menu and then select set load case to run. Then select wind load option and click on do not run case. As the action changed from do not run, then run the analysis. Select the run now option and run the analysis. As it takes us some time to run, you can see the analysis person in bottom left corner. Result will be displayed in 3D tab view. You can see the displacement by placing cursor on the structure and right clicking on it. You can get the displacement value here. Now under design menu, select concrete frame design and select view/revise preference. Make sure the design code is set to IS 456 2000 and then click on OK. And then again go to design menu, concrete frame design and select start design check. As now the design check analysis is in progress. You can see our progress in bottom left corner. It takes some time to analyze. The analysis is completed now. You can see in 3D view tab longitudinal reinforcing. You can select any member of the structure and see the details about longitudinal reinforcing. After analysis, you can verify all member under construction, under concrete design menu, design, and then select concrete frame design, and then select verified all member passed. It shows that all concrete member are passed the design check. In Model Explorer tab, you can see the report option. Click on report, project report. It will take some time to load. The project is generated now. In this project, you can see all the columns, beams, and slab properties, and the result of the analysis. Thank you.